welcome to my channel. I'm Tulip and I secured All India rank 3000 in this Neet UG 2025 exam. And on this channel I'll be sharing my Neet journey and many things. So in this video I'll be telling you about my Neet journey. So first of all I want to show you my little diary. When I used to prepare, I would make little schedules and annotate my test days, when I had tests, when I had many exams. You can see I have noted that my boards are going to start. This is chemistry, physics, sports. I would write my exam syllabus, that what I have to prepare in which days. And here you can also see, this is the April month. It would have exam almost every day. So I would, and see here, Neet. I would write syllabus of my exams and many things, and I would also make a to-do list of day to day, that what I had to do. So this is a little diary, a pocket diary. I would make a to-do list in this, that I have to revise this chapter today, which chapter. So like this you can, make a schedule. What do you want to do in this week, or what will you do today? So let me show you. I've shown that do NCRT, read this chapter. I'll make schedules like this. So I will do them. This one is not complete. Sometimes I complete it, sometimes I don't. So like this you can make schedules. Let me show you one more. This one, I would divide some chapters into different slots. Like in the last month of Neet, I have to revise all the syllabus. It was so much, so I divided it like this. You can see 5:30 to 6 morphology. I would divide the plant kingdom in 2 slots. It was so tough. And I have divided so much chemistry. You can see I divided hydrocarbon chapter in 3 slots. You can make a slot like study for 40 minutes and take a break of 5 to 10 minutes, because your brain focus time is almost 40 minutes is the highest. Then you can take a short break and then again study with high focus. So see, I have also make a slot of backlogs also. If I not complete any chapter, this is a little time of dinner. This is only a half part of my schedule. If you want the complete, I can post the picture of the complete schedule on my Telegram channel. I'll post a link on my description. So let's start with the physics part. So I have made many notebooks of physics. So this is my school physics notebook. And believe me, unpopular opinion, but school notes helped me more than coaching notes. They were little concise and understandable, and it had many questions. I would make them like this, and I would also square the formulas so that I can revise at the last time. I will read them again and again. So like this, when I would read again, I would highlight the points that were important, that were in questions, or that I forget often. So you can also highlight and annotate like this. It had many questions. As you can see, this topic of principle of superposition. This one is a school notebook. It was also very helpful for boards also. It is like this. You can see. This was a school notebook. I had another school notebook. Let me show you. See, I would use red pens, any colored pen when I would revise. This is thermal expansion of solid in many chapters. It has very concise points. So this one is my NCRT notebook of physics. I would read NCRT and make points of very important points that come often in exams that are important. I would make short topics like this, motion in 3D. I would make little graphs. That's this type of motion. This, circulatory motion. I made so many circles. I would make any diagram that would make the topic easy to understand. You can make it yourself. This is circular or rotatory motion can be 2D or 3D. I made a 3D myself. And this is oscillatory motion. See, this is amplitude, mean position. This is an NCERT notebook. I would make graphs, important graphs of NCERT or points. Okay. So now, this is my coaching physics notebook. You can see, this is ray optics chapter. This is a very neat and clean notebook. I would write everything that teacher would tell us, every point, little points. Like I also write, see, the clock questions in ray optics of reflection. I've even written in Hindi also कि अगर 12 o'clock दिया है तो इसमें से माइनस करेंगे, अगर ऐसे दिया है तो ऐसे करेंगे. So you can write it like this. And I would not remember this glancing angle, so I've highlighted it so much. You can see. So you can make your points like this so you can remember. And I would always square my formulas. I have shown you earlier also, so that you can revise easily, that which is the formula that you have to learn, which is important. See, I have highlighted with the green color that if image formation by two inclined planes, if it's an even number you have to n-1. You all know this, right? And when I would come back from coaching, I would revise these notes every day, and I would feel so sleepy, but I still revise them and then I would sleep. See, this formula was very new to me. I highlighted it so much. And these are the concave diagrams. I still remember them. These image formation diagrams. You all know, right? This, if the image is on focus, it will be on infinity. These ones. The mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. So you make your notes like this, big notebook. So now I will show you some chemistry part also. So much notebooks of physics, and there are many more also. If you want, I'll make another video of subject wise, showing all my notebooks. This is a chemistry formula notebook. This notebook was very close to my heart. I would revise it every day, many times. This is the first chapter of chemistry, some basic concepts of chemistry, mole concept formulas. This chapter personally was very difficult for me when I started my Neet preparation, because I would not remember anything about what is mole concept. I made a little diagram like this also, how to calculate moles. As you can see, if number of molecules is given, what to do. It was so difficult in starting. See, I have made the formulas like percentage weight by volume का क्या relation है, percentage weight by weight into density, and molarity के many formulas होते हैं ना, तो it becomes easy when you concise all your formulas in the same place. Because in molarity काफ़ी different questions आ जाते हैं कि density दे दी, percentage weight by weight दे दिया, तो कैसे निकालें. Write your formulas in the same place so you can remember it. It's very easy. And this formula was very handy. Percentage weight by weight into density into 10 divided by molar mass of solute. So, see, the molality formulas when mole fraction is given. The equivalent formula. It's a formula of the first chapter. This is the second chapter, structure of atom. So like this I would make formulas, and this is the most important notebook, and you should definitely make it, because formula notebooks really help you to revise. So this is my coaching chemistry notebook. Let me show you a little bit how oh yes, and you see, this is the first page of my notebook. I would write any formula that I cannot remember, like the zero order, first order. I would not remember them. It's a 12th class notebook. So see, I have written it clearly. This is the first order, second order, and these are the formulas. So like that I would able to revise it every day. Whenever I open the notebook, I will read these formulas, because otherwise I would always confuse. This one was the first order or second order kinetics. So write your formulas on the first page that you cannot remember. See, I have written it on this side also with the graph, because I would never understand if the graph is above or below, if it's exothermic or endothermic. So I have written it, and now I remember it very clearly. See, this is the order also, and me show you how I would make my chemistry notes. I would see. You can see in Hindi also I have write a little mnemonics, because it was, you have to make your own mnemonics in Hindi, English, whatever you like. So make mnemonics, it becomes easy to remember. I would make my chemistry notes like this. I would write everything, little things, what sir would told us. See, I would write in the side and highlight it, whatever is important, because it becomes important कि आपको सर ने जो बताया कि ये क्वेश्चन जैसे आएगा, so you should write it that this question is important or question from this topic comes, so you should write and highlight or read it. And I would also do one thing, whenever a chapter is going on, I would solve their questions side by side. So then I would read my notes again, and then I would make sure to note the important things that came in questions, because some things are important that come again and again. Like this is a point of non-ideal solution with positive deviation, negative deviation. So many questions come from this part. See how cluttery this is, because I have written so many examples, that which is negative deviation, benzene, acetones, KCOH2, negative positive deviation, acetone. I would write any example, even those examples that are different in questions, and it is not in the notes, so I would add it, so it becomes easy. See, I would use many colored pens to make my notes. These are the many graphs of colligative properties and all of this. Also, I'll show you another notebook of chemistry. This notebook. Wait, not this one. I'll show you this notebook. This is my chemistry doubt notebook. I would have many doubts in chemistry. So, this is the notebook where I would, ask her questions. Then I would clear my doubts, and I would write it. I would write the whole question and the solution. कि कैसे हुआ ये question. Hindi, English जैसे भी मैंने इसमें लिखा. As you can see, percentage purity का question. मुझे percentage purity भी I would not understand that how you will solve these questions. It has so many questions in it. As you can see, I'll show you. It has so many questions. Almost, I don't know, 50, 60, so many doubt questions. Only of the first chapter, some basic concept of chemistry. Because you have to solve as many questions as you can, so that you will be, master in that chapter. Okay, so this is my doubt notebook. Make sure to separate your doubts. This is also my chemistry notes notebook. I make these notes myself of organic chemistry, because organic chemistry is not easy to understand at first, so you have to write it again and again, remember it and learn it. So this is all for today. I have only these notebooks right now, but there are so many notebooks, and bios part also. So I will cover the bio portion in the next video. If you want any other video, and stay tuned, I will post a bio video also, how to prepare for biology. And in this video I was just showing my notebooks, or how I would make notes, formula notebooks. I'll make another video also, so how to study. So this was only physics and chemistry part, and if you want to see my more notebooks, I would post another video for it. Thank you for watching.